Accommodation is the process of adjusting the shape of the lens so that the external image falls exactly on the retina. Here, for closed vision, the ciliary muscle contract and the lens will be more rounded, so that increases diameter, so that for closed vision. While for distant vision, the ciliary muscles here are relaxed and the lens is more flattened, so that for distant vision, so that to accommodate the image or the image of an object, so that will fall exactly on the retina. The near point of vision is the minimum distance from the eye that an object can be clearly focused with maximum accommodation, which is about 10 centimeters in young adults. Emetropia means a normal eye, so that in which parallel rays from distant object in sharp focus on the retina, so that the ciliary muscle, as we said, is completely relaxed. So emetropic eye can see all distant objects clearly with its ciliary muscle completely relaxed. But for closed range, the reverse will happen, so that the ciliary muscle contract and the lens so that will be more widened, so that provide appropriate degree of accommodation. والهدف هو in both cases هو انه so that the image fall exactly on the retina, because if it not fall exactly on the retina, it will result in an abnormality. If it is in front of the retina, it will result in myopia or farsightedness. If it is behind the retina, if it falls behind the retina, so that it will cause what's called hyperopia or farsightedness, which we'll come to discuss. First, with hyperopia or hypermetropia or farsightedness, all they are synonyms of the same thing. This is usually so that the eyeball is too short, anteroposterior diameter, or the lens is not so flexible, so that the parallel rays of light are brought to a focus behind the retina, تصير ورا الرتنا. فلذلك so that those persons يقوم يعني من يقرأ المجلة أو الجريدة يبعدها عن عينه حتى يشوف واضح، because لأنه الأجسام القريبة يشوفها بشكل مغوش blurred. So to overcome this abnormality, muscle must contract to increase strength of the lens. So by using the mechanism of accommodation, prolonged muscular effort cause headaches, straining, or blurring of vision. This defect is corrected by convex lens glasses. النوع الثاني هو المايوبيا or nearsightedness. In myopia, the ciliary muscle is completely relaxed. Parallel rays of light from distant object are focused in front of the retina. الصورة راح تتكون أمام الرتنا. It is usually either due to the eyeball is too long anteroposterior diameter, young adults, or extensive work activities such as studying accelerated development of myopia. Here the person will انه الشخص يقوم بالعكس يقوم يقرب المجلة أو الجريدة أو الشيء حتى يقرأ, because the distant object هنا عنده will be blurred. وهذا أيضا يسوي له مشكلة بالدرايفنج, لأنه اللي coming from far لكارز السيارات اللي شايفة بعيد ما يقدر يشوفها زين. The other is astigmatism, when there is irregularity on the surface of the cornea, so that cause irregularity of the vision. Presbyopia is a stiffness of the lens occurred advanced aging, so that it will cause difficulty in near vision. يعني هو يكون مشابه للنوع الأول اللي هو الهايبرمتروبيا أو هايبروبيا, because الستفنس لللينس ما يقدر يسوي لها يعني increase in the diameter, فذلك ما راح يقدر يسوي accommodation for close vision, فيصير عنده إشكالية بشوفة الكلوز الأجسام القريبة راح يصير. هذا مثل ما قلنا occur in aging. Sharpness depend upon resolving power, ability of the visual system to resolve two closed spare dots. مثل ما قلنا هاي هنا الإمتروبيا للنورمال فيجن no correction, while for myopia مثل ما نشوف الإيمج are in front of the retina. هنا correction by concave lens so that correct nearsightedness to أنه to scatter the light شوي so that will fall far يعني distance behind from what's happening حتى to be exactly on the retina. بالنسبة للهايبروبيا لا هي الفوكسنج حيكون behind the retina فنجيب convex lenses حتى to bring it closer. مثل ما تلاحظون الاي بي diameter بالهايبروبيا يكون usually short بالمايوبيا العكس راح يكون is long. astigmatism يصير irregularity the lens focus because there is an irregularity in the surface of the cornea فيصير scattering. Now corrected by uneven lens correct astigmatism. وهنا الامج of lines of circle appear blurred. Coming to the rods and cones. The rods are general narrower and longer than the cones and طبعا more numerous. It's about 120 million its number, 2 to 5 micrometers in diameter. They are not found in fovea centralis but found throughout the rest of the retina where the rods predominate. They are very sensitive to light and low threshold and the receptors for night vision or dim vision in dim light, also associated with low visual acuity due to the high degree of convergence on ganglion cells in the rod system. As we said, it is much more numerous, 120 million, and do not mediate color vision. Cones, thicker inner segment and shorter and conical outer segment. They are densely packed as fovea centralis and also present in the peripheral retina. They have low sensitivity to light as higher threshold and receptors for light vision and are at brighter light. Also they are much greater visual acuity than the rods due to the low number of cones converging on each ganglion cells. Are not similar in number than smaller in number 6 millions بينما الروز كانت 120 millions responsible for colored vision. هذه المقارنة شفنا longer and يعني slimmer بينما تكون shorter and thicker الكونز. outer segment is longer مثل ما نقدر نشوف ومثل ما قلنا باقي الفروقات بالعدد وبالadaptation. high for dim light is for bright light and for color vision و densely packed الكون مثل ما قلنا as at the fovea while it is not present rods not present there. Coming to